Hey, in this video I will show you how to store multiple values as lists or arrays in Python. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Thank you. Hey there, I'm Virtual Tag9 and I'm going to show you how to create lists and modify them using Python. To get started, you have to have Python installed in your computer. For that, you have to go to python.org and go to downloads, and you can download it here. Otherwise, if you use Windows, you can go to the Microsoft Store, search Python and download it. I already have Python downloaded in my computer. Then you would need a text editor or IDE. One example for an IDE for Python is PyCharm. You can use text editors as well like Atom and Visual Studio Code. In this video, I am going to use Visual Studio Code. Now, to create lists, we have to create a variable I equal to square brackets. The difference between lists and normal variables is that you can store a lot of values in lists. Lists are also called arrays. So I can store many values. For example, I'll just store friends and you can enter whatever new name you want. So you can store a lot of values, but you should not store it like this. To store different values, we have to enter the first name, the first value, and close the quotation marks. Then enter comma and then open quotation marks again and then enter our next value. I can print this variable. It will print out my values. I can access each value using index values. I can print friends, square brackets, 0. Remember, in Python, index values start from 0 and not 1. Remember, 0 and not 1. So, Kelly is stored in the value 0, whereas Jim is stored in the value 1. So if I print out 0, we should get Kelly. As you can see, we get Kelly. Whereas if I print out 1, that is Jim, we will get Jim. Also, we can append new values to a list. To do that, I can call out the variable's name, which is friends in my case, dot append, and whatever you want to append here. I will add another value and then I will print this as well. So as you can see, the last value tag9 also gets added. That is like this. I can access this value as index value as well. This will be stored as the next value 0, 1 and 2. we will get Thug 9 now. As you can see, we get it. We can also delete the last value in lists by telling pop. If we pass in no parameters, it will automatically delete the last value in the list. Since I gave here 2, we only have index number until index number 1, 0, 1, and I delete. We didn't append Thug 9, so I will add this as 0. Now Kelly gets printed. Now without index values, if we print this list, only Kelly will get printed because we popped the last value in this list. We can also pop according to the index values. If I enter 0, it will pop Kelly and it will just print out Jim. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, unknown brain.